fishing new Melones. We'll be trolling for bass today probably.
Is he on?
Yeah, fish on. Fish
Yeah?
on. First fish in the morning.
Okay, I'm at idle.
Okay, we're at 30 feet deep. Downriggers at 30 feet. A lot of the fish being caught on the lip. A little bit small. I saw him just jump. It's a bass. It's a bass.
Look at it.
Two.
Thank you.
On the downrigger.
Over Apex.
Blue and throwing apex.
Oh, that's the best one yet. Oh, look at that.
Here's that one back.
Oh yeah, throw mine back.
That's two of them off the little chrome apex. 40 feet down. This is a nice fish. Got a little weight to him.
Oh good, looks like a bait ball. Big bait ball here. So,
It's a keeper. About 40 feet deep. Oh, fish on your side. Double.
huh?
Double.
Oh, nice one. Double. Double.
Double. And we both are running the blue and white, or blue and chrome. I have a Rapala. Both down around 40 feet. We'll go back through there and see if we can get another one.
That a good one?
Another small one. On Monday, we caught everything on a fire tiger. Today, it's blue and white,
Oh,
or chrome and white, whichever one you want to use.
oh you got a double. Yeah. Oh, hey, I got a fish on. Right there. Forget that one. I got a fish on. Right there in the center. Yeah.
Another fish.
Oh, darn it.
Red core. Out about 150 feet. He sees the boat. Take a little bit of line.
What did you do?
I pulled him right to your net. You didn't scoop him in.
Where is it?
He's gone. And he took your lure with him.
Damn it. You muscled him in, you lost my best lure. Well, not like the monster that you let go.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Can't see him right now.
Yeah, how many times are you going to swish at him? That's a nice fish there.
That's a good fish.
Right on the lip.
Again,
Just barely on the lip.
there, 40 feet. Tell me when to get the net.
Got the net. Number 9. One more.
Blue and white.
Blue and white.
Looking back to Rapala.
Yeah.
Do it again.
10 at 10 o'clock. 10 keeper bass, trolling, new Melones. 10 o'clock, we're done. Threw all the small ones back. Most of them were a little bigger than that. We did get a few nice ones. So it's 10 o'clock in the morning and we're on our way in. Chrome and blue was the color today. Just depends on what day and what the clouds and the sun and the barometer is doing. Water temperature is 77 degrees. All right, we're on our way in.